Hi, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. This is your Gem, Ini, your tarot reader. So, water sign, alamin natin kung ano ang iyong love reading. Ano ang iyong love energy. Just a reminder, water sign, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Kung nakasakaling makonsider mo kung mag-resonate ito sa'yo. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Salamat sa pagsuporta at pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Tignan natin kung ano ang iyong love reading. Love energy. Give me your energy, water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ano ang iyong love energy? Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. You have Four of Pentacles, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You have Four of Wands, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. You have Five of Pentacles, an earth sign. You have Ten of Swords, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Seven of Pentacles, an earth sign. So I'm seeing here, you're moving on from your past energy. Or your ex. Someone na nagparamdam sa'yo ng sadness, loneliness. Yung nagpaasa sa'yo. This person parang let you hang on. Yung alam mo yung parang pinaasa ka lang niya, pero hindi niya binigay yung deserve mo. So you felt this way, water sign. Parang, alam mo yung in pain kasi umasa ka eh. Nag-invest ka sa taong ito pero hindi niya binigay yung nararapat para sa'yo. Parang in a way, nang hinayang ka sa in-invest mo na time and effort sa taong ito. Kung sino man yan, you're moving on. Unti-unti, you're trying to move on with this person kasi you're trying to find happiness with someone. Someone na you deserve. Parang you're trying to reserve yourself para sa taong nararapat para sa'yo. Maaaring pinaasa ka niya kasi hindi niya nakuha yung gusto niya makuha sa'yo. So that is not a kind of energy na gusto mong magstay. Ibig sabihin lang niyan, kapag may kailangan siya, dun lang siya na nasa tabi mo. Parang, pag may kailangan lang siya, nandyan siya. Pero pag wala, pinapabayaan ka lang niya. So, tama yung ginagawa mo. You're in the process of moving on with that energy. Alamin natin, water sign. You have the Devil, a strong Capricorn. Five of Cups, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Three of Pentacles, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Eight of Swords, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And the Wands, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Siguro you're in pain kasi mahal mo pa siya, di ba? Nanginayang ka kasi nag-invest ka, nag-effort ka sa kanya, pero ang ending, parang minanipulate ka lang niya. Pinaasa ka lang niya. Kinontrol niya lang yung feelings mo. Diba? Yung siguro, may mga nakukuha siya sa'yo, may mga benefits siya sa'yo. Kaya nagstay siya sa'yo. Pero nung time na parang hindi niya makuha yung nais niya, diba? Nilet go ka niya. Binitawan ka niya. Kaya ngayon, parang hirap, takot ka na ulit magmahal. Parang sa ngayon, hinahanap mo yung sarili mo. Yung dating ikaw na very motivated, very passionate about love. Sa ngayon, parang mas pinaglalaanan mo ng atensyon yung sarili mo na i-improve pa ang buhay mo. Dahil sa mga nangyari na encounter mo with this person, diba? Yung parang feeling mo, Nanghihinayang ka sa oras, sa panahon na nilaan mo sa kanya na hindi niya naman pala maibibigay yung mga pangarap mo na magkaroon ng buong pamilya, masayang buhay. Sa ngayon, nanghihinayang ka pero you're in the process of moving on. At takot ka na ulit magmahal kasi baka paasahin ka lang ulit. Merong hesitation. Gusto mo man manumbalik yung dating eagerness, motivation, or being in love. Pero parang ang hirap maibalik kung nasayang na ang lahat. Kung meron ka ng fear, takot na baka maulit-ulit kung ano yung ginawa sa'yo ng person na ito. You have 6 of Pentacles, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have the Sun. You have King of Swords, Aries, Leo, and air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You have Ace of Pentacles, an earth sign, and King of Wands, a fire sign. I'm seeing here, water sign, there's still hope. Huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa. Kasi may babalik mo ang dating ikaw, yung dating masiglang ikaw, na kaya magmahal, kayang ibigay ng buong buo ang pagmamahal, gaya ng binigay mo sa dati mong kasintahan. Diba? Huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa. You have King of Swords and King of Wands. Pag ready ka na ulit, paganda ka na ulit magmahal, kaya mo pa rin magmahal. Huwag ka matakot magmahal at magtiwala sa iba. Kasi sa ngayon, mas magiging wiser ka. Sa ngayon, may natutunan ka sa iyong past relationship, mas magiging matalino ka sa pagpili ng tamang taong mamahalin mo. You will still have this opportunity to love again. To give love again. You have hope. You still have hope. Huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Hindi naging maganda ang relationship mo with your ex, magi-give up ka na ng ganun-ganun na lang. Huwag kang manghinayang sa time and moment na nilaan mo. You just have to move on with that energy. Huwag ka na lang mag-focus sa kung ano yung nawala. Mag-focus ka sa kung ano yung possible pang dumating sa buhay mo. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang masasabi ng Love Oracle sa iyong energy. For water sign, give me some love advice. Love Oracle for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Ang sinasabi dito, huwag ka mawalan ng pag-asa, water sign. Tingnan natin. Give me some love advice for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let us see kung ano ang love advice para sa'yo. Love advice for water sign. Give me some love advice for water sign. Okay. Water sign, a love call. Someone will express love to you, a message of love. If you are ready to take this call. Abundance, keep a positive mindset, di ba? You're in the process of moving on, water sign. So keep a positive mindset and manifest exactly what you want, di ba? Gusto mo pa rin magkaroon ng maganda at buong pamilya, masaganang buhay, bumuo ng sariling pamilya, di ba? You can still have it. Just keep a positive mindset. The golden mirror, self-absorbed narcissist. Siguro, your relationship with your past person is a one-sided relationship na parang siya lang yung nakikinabang. At dun ka na exhausted. Self-indulgence. Focus on self-worth. Time to heal. Di ba? Time to move on from your past. There's a wedding rings, a union, connection, married. So don't lose hope. You will still have this kind of energy. Huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa or faith na pwede ka ulit magmahal at mahalin ng tamang tao na taong deserve mo. Talking, interested, conversing, awaited message, arrive, calls. So siguro itong dadating sa buhay mo, it's up to you kung you are willing to accept this new admirer sa buhay mo. Kung ready ka na, kung handa ka na. So, tignan natin, water sign, ano masasabi ng oracle guide for your energy. Give me some advice for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some advice for water sign. Advice or message for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Sa pinagdadaanan niya ngayon, give me some advice. Give me some advice for water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, give me some advice. Okay. Water sign, emotions are running high. Be bold and make the first move. Believe in the impossible. Adjustments are required. And balance spirituality and practicality. I'm seeing here sa advice ng Oracle Guide na parang don't close your doors for new opportunity of love. Sa ngayon, siguro, confused ka kung i-accept mo this romantic offer from someone, kung ready ka ba, kung handa ka ba ulit magmahal, diba? Adjustments are required and just believe in the impossible. Just move on from your past. Huwag mong hayaan na ang iyong past ang dahilan kung bakit mag-hold back ka for a new opportunity of love. So just balance spirituality and practicality. Kailangan sakto lang, huwag ka over magbigay ng pagmamahal. Magtira ka para sa sarili mo. So thank you, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, water sign.